Minasan konnichiwa. My name is Matt Akahane. I'm a gunner and interpreter with the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps, and today we're doing some weapon maintenance. The Castle Museum has a lot of firearms. It has over 200. Not all of them are on display, but we do maintain all of them. And today we're actually working inside Matsumoto Castle. It's still a working castle at times, and we're looking after some of these guns, taking some notes and making some minor repairs to them.
If you've ever visited Matsumoto City, then there's a good chance you've also visited Matsumoto Castle. The second floor of the castle is home to the Akahane Collection, which is a collection of Edo-era firearms. As a gunnery display team, the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps regularly practice with Edo-era firearms, but they also check and maintain the Akahane Collection on behalf of the city and the castle. The guns in the collection range from small, unique weapons that could be hidden in the sleeves of a warrior to large war guns and ozutsu and even bohia, which are used as rockets. Because the collection is so extensive, therefore, the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps carry out their work inside the castle. This is quite a privilege because Matsumoto Castle is one of the national treasures of Japan, and being able to preserve history in the way that we do is a responsibility we take very seriously. We usually check the notes of the previous year's maintenance to ensure that they are accurate. We then go on to record any maintenance or repairs that we make on any of the particular guns, no matter how small or minor. We also take the time to function check the weapons and ensure that the springs that are inside them are working properly. And then of course we reassemble and clean the guns so that they are perfect for our displays. We also spend some of our time looking after the other exhibits, such as items that were used to make ammunition or cannon. This item, for example, was used to launch fire arrows or bohia.
In order to carry out this maintenance, we need to do it before any tourists or customers arrive into the castle. Of course, Matsumoto Castle is a national treasure in Japan and quite a popular place for people to visit. So we tend to work as early as we can in the morning so that we can get the exhibits cleaned and put back on display before vast numbers of people arrive.
Once we finish with a particular item or exhibit, members of the castle staff put them back on display in the relevant display case. And one of the more popular display cases that we have at the museum is a case that features unique firearms like you can see here. These might include traps, hidden firearms, or this double-barreled pistol, for example. So it really is a great opportunity for members of the team to explore their genuine interest in Japanese gunnery. It is an opportunity to share knowledge that we might have about the guns. And that means it's also an opportunity for gunners to learn. And that knowledge is both practical and theoretical. Gunners develop their skill in looking after and maintaining these historical weapons. And they also have the opportunity to speak to the museum curator and experts about the firearms that we're looking after. And once everything's finished, we put them back on display, and it usually signifies the end of the shooting season for the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps. I hope you enjoyed this short upload. Don't forget to like and share and leave a comment. And if Japanese gunnery interests you, you can find out more at gunsamurai.com.